In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Microsoft Excel file won't open on your Windows computer. So it's pretty straightforward. The first thing we just need to do is come over to our Start menu, and inside of here, we're going to search for Default Apps, and then head over to the Default App Settings, and we're going to scroll all the way down this list to the bottom, and you need to select Choose Defaults by File Type. And we're going to go ahead and set Excel as the default app. So we need to scroll down this list, and we're looking for the file format XLSX, which will be right at the bottom of this. So once you found XLSX, then simply click on it here and just ensure that the default app is set to Excel. Then we can go ahead and press Set Default. And if the settings in here are correct, then we can close out of this window. And then we're going to come back over to our Start menu and this time search for Excel. And we're just going to launch up the app on our computer. And once you're inside of here, you need to come over to Options in the left-hand side here. From the left-hand side, come over to Trust Center and then press this Trust Center settings here inside of Protected View. You want to make sure all three of these options are left unchecked. And then we can press OK to save these changes. And then we're going to head over to the Advanced tab from here. Scroll all the way down to the General section and make sure this option here, Ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange. Make sure this is left unchecked, and then you can press OK to save your changes, and we can try launching up the Excel file to see if that's fixed the issue. Now, if you still can't open up the Excel file, this could indicate that the file's actually corrupt. One way to check this and a kind of workaround would be to upload this to a Google Drive. So just head over to an internet browser and then simply come over to google.com, and you'll need to ensure that you have a Google account to do this. Then we just need to select these dots in the right hand side here, come over to Drive, and we're going to press New and Upload. And then we can upload our spreadsheet inside of the Google Drive and just double click on the file. And once the file's uploaded inside of here, we can just click on it to see if that opens. And as you see, the file's now opened successfully. And that's it, guys. That's how to fix the issue where your Excel files won't open on your computer. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.